Welcome to Seoul Station, the vibrant pulse of Korea's railway network, where every journey starts with a spark of excitement. Whether you're here for business or adventure, this station is your gateway to it all. As you step through the grand entrance, take a moment to soak in the buzz of city life merging effortlessly with modern travel convenience. Right ahead, glance up to the sleek digital boards that keep you perfectly synced with real-time train arrivals and departures. No guesswork needed here. From here, colorful multilingual signs effortlessly guide you to platforms, cozy shops, and exits. Then, hop onto the speedy escalators and make your way to the platform entrance. When it's time to head to your train, simply validate your ticket at the gates. If you haven't got a ticket yet, no worries. You can book your tickets instantly and hassle-free at Rail Ninja, your trusted companion for smart travel planning. Once your ticket's ready, you're all set to go. Step through, and you'll be greeted by sleek KTX and ITX trains waiting to whisk you away to your next adventure. Seoul Station is more than a transit hub. It's a traveler's haven. Should you need help, swing by the Traveler's Help Desk, where friendly experts are ready with insider tips and directions to make your trip easier. Traveling light. Secure your luggage and lockers starting at just $1.80 for 24 hours. The self-service lockers are fast and safe. Just scan your ticket or QR code, and you're good to go. For a quick refresh, immaculate restrooms are conveniently located on every floor, designed with your comfort in mind. Relax and taste Nuri Bunsik's mouth-watering Korean spicy tteokbokki and fresh gimbap. For a sweet treat, try ginseng hodugwaja, these walnut-shaped cakes. Before you board, StoryWay convenience store offers all the travel essentials. Find McDonald's and even more cozy cafes, popular coffee chains, perfect for a quick bite or a relaxing pause. Plus, ATMs and mobile charging stations are sprinkled throughout to keep you fully powered up. When you're ready, step out of Seoul Station and dive into the city's dazzling mix of culture, history, and modern buzz. Steps from the station, Lotte Mart welcomes you into a world where shopping, dining, and entertainment come together in one vibrant destination. Just minutes away is Seoullo 7017, the Skygarden Bridge, where you can enjoy greenery amid the urban sprawl. For art enthusiasts, the Seoul Museum of Art SeMA offers a vibrant window into Korea's creative heartbeat. Nature lovers will appreciate Namsan Park and the iconic Seoul Tower, the perfect spot for panoramic city views. Discover the lively Namdaemun Market, where every corner bursts with colors and flavors. Don't forget to stand in awe before Namdaemun Gate, a treasured symbol of Seoul's rich heritage. Shop, snack, and soak in the vibrant buzz of Myeongdong's famous streets. Step back in time at Deoksugung Palace, where royal history meets the city's modern rhythm. Explore the futuristic curves of Dongdaemun Design Plaza, Seoul's playground for design and innovation. In spring, Seoul's parks burst into pink with enchanting cherry blossoms, a magical sight you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Seoul Station. Ready for your next adventure? Book your tickets quickly and easily at Rail Ninja, and let your Korean story continue.